So good morning once again guys, welcome back to National V, and right now we are at the northern Mahe. We came here for the top Soleli beach. एकदम डरै लाग्दो ठाउँ रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ है। हामी सेसल्सको कुना कुनामा एक्सप्लोरेसन गर्ने क्रममा आज चाहिँ टप सोलेली बीच भन्ने ठाउँ रहेछ एउटा। यहाँ रहेछ टप सोलेली बीच। दिस इज द टप सोलेली बीच। अलि जङ्गलै रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ है। अनि बाटो चाहिँ भर्खर बनाइदिएको छ यो टप सोलेली बीचमा जाने। अब हामी यहाँ जाँदैछौँ। हेर्नु कस्तो रहेछ। यो चाहिँ नर्थ साइडको एउटा सानो बीच। यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा बीच बार रहेछ है, एकदम ऑथेन्टिक टाइपको है। अनि यहाँ चाहिँ बीचमा मस्त हेर्दै बियर खाने ठाउँ। सेब्रु चाहिँ 60 रुपीस रहेछ सेसल्स मनी। But bar is still closed because it's early morning. Maybe daytime it will open. Huh?
Everyone can see it.
So we have here in Top Soleli Beach and Grill Bar, right?
Yes.
So you are the proprietor for this grill bar,
Yeah,
right?
Yes, and
So-
it's number one bar in the session.
Okay. What time open this one?
We're open from 12 to up to 7.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
here we have everything.
Everything. When you are coming to the beach, you will get everything,
Everything.
including snacks, drinks,
Everything.
everything.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a very good we see here in north side of Mahe.
Yeah.
And what's your name, sir?
My name is Roland, the owner of Top Solar itself.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. See you. Okay, bye.
We have menu also. You can,
Menu here, margarita, tuna, pizza, section of pizza, smoked fish, today's grilled seafood. Today menu, for adult menu we have octopus curry, octopus salad, fish curry, fish and chips. This is the drinks over here. Several cedar, another drinks. ल मैले चाहिँ एकदम दामी फुल भेटाएको छु है, यस्तो खालको। यो चाहिँ यहाँ सेसल्सको एकदम दामी यस्तो छ के। there is a small island. It looks very near, but it's a little far, maybe 700 meters far from here. And Kiran is with me today.
I want to go somewhere else. Unfortunately, we had a small,
Some plan.
yeah, we changed some plan. So I think this is on the short and sweet vlog. You can see our nature and we in YouTube.
Thank you, Kiran. See you from the Top Sololi beach. Okay, you can come and enjoy. This is the public beach, and it's a crystal clear water. You can see from here. See small bar also. You can drink over there.
This is tropical bar.
Tropical Seychelles tropical bar also. You can drink and enjoy over here. So see you guys from here, Top Sololi beach, north side of Mahe. We will explore the next place in next vlog. See you.